Of course, I'm a Fanti. Every word I say is funny, and people think I'm a joker or comedian. Do I look like a comedian to you? Hello. Of course, I'm a Fanti, born and bred in Takrady. Into Belanede, or your normal, better Bella so your personal. Of course, I'm a Fanti. I can never speak without blending the Fanti with the English. Ata Sibia, but that's very much. Of course, I'm a Fanti. Monumi a medal papa, into me Chewchews there. Estata. Mpocha was sausage so na gizzard say. And pocha for green pepper no ne cabbage come on I. And to me, when mum one. Oh, moka kwe stew. Yeah, for kakokre come. Of course, I'm a Fanti. Anytime I get to Makala and I speak Fanti, they'll be like, hey, I wear a Fanti nyewa. Matne if you kuma do. And your Fanti ni be not if you kuma. Of course, I'm a Fanti. Anytime I try speaking my language in Accra or to Aigbeni will be like, and I'll be like, eh? So I have to speak Trio English. Hey, Aigbefo. Of course, I'm a Fanti from Gomwa land. I cannot speak Gomwa, but I do Mukroma. My same name will reflect the tribe I'm from, and you will ask, are you a Fanti? Yes, my name is Harriet Aquagrin. We're from Araba Yawson. Izinaze Nana Jackson. We're from Abena Adazwa Peterson, and of course, I'm a Fanti. Of course, I'm a Fanti, and I love kako. Sema mukwana. Maze kako be soakings. Na jollof rice. Of course, I'm a Fanti. Mudru baby, we're from Mami Fanti. Of course, I'm a Fanti, and everybody loves my dialect. Inyo, because I adore. Well, I benya de kafanta, enya. International language or today. Femano. Eraze. Fanti adawai. Of course, I'm a Fanti, and I'm so proud of it. Them mama and papa nara. Why am Fanti for?
They play by sizes, I know be a bad.